Hello my friend, welcome to TubeView channel. I'm Henry. This is a magic board. It has two threads in counter-clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. You can use it as a normal board on both sides. When you rotate the board, the nuts will move to different directions. And this is another magic board. It moves at a different speed. I was inspired by this video. After mounting the nuts to the board, turn the board in one direction, the nuts will go in a different direction. If you take a close look, you can find some small ridges at the top of the thread, so I know it is two threads bound together in fact. I decided to make a similar board and nuts using Fusion 360 and 3D printing. It is a beginner's level technique if you know the methods and the tricks. Stick around. I will tell you how to do it. Let's start. Number 1. Double thread the board in a different direction. First, create a very simple sketch. Draw a circle which diameter is 20 mm for the test, and a hexagonal which the parallel distance is 30 mm. The hexagonal is larger for making the nut head. Close the sketch. Extend the circle to make a cylinder which height is 50 mm. Use thread function to make a board. Make sure check this box, otherwise it will not make a real board. Use the ISO metric profile format. Select the size 20 mm, designation M20 x 2.5. Check here, make it a right hand or clockwise direction. Click OK to finish. Now a clockwise board is finished. Make another board as counter-clockwise direction, using a similar procedure and the same parameters. Just change the direction to the left hand. Now we have two boards in a clockwise and counter-clockwise direction at the same place. Use combine function and select intersect. This means only both selected bodies intersected parts were left. In other words, the final item can be used as clockwise and counterclockwise together. Now, the most difficult part has been finished. Add the head to the board is an easy task. Extrude the hexagonal sketch to 8 mm as head. If you accidentally move the board or head, you should align them together using a moving tool. When you click point-to-point icon, then click the original point. The selected part will show the snap points, like the center of the face, the middle point of the line, etc. Hold the Control button of your keyboard and click the select point. Then select the target point and do the same work. Select the center to align and combine the head to the board. It's done. Then we make two screws which the directions are clockwise and counterclockwise. Extend the hexagonal part to 8 mm height. Use the thread function and check the right hand and the left hand once a time. After making the screws, use the section analysis function to make a cross-section of the screw. Select both top and the bottom side of the thread. Use press-pull function to make a clearance of the screw. According to my former video, I know my 3D printer clearance is about 0.3 mm. I select 0.3 mm as a test. Now we start adding some text to the board and the nuts using the Emboss function. Create a sketch and select the face where you want to add the text. Then draw an area where you want to add the text. Add the text and adjust the font, size, etc. You can manipulate the text as normal items such as move, scale or rotate it, etc. Move the text to your destination place. Then finish sketch. Select the Emboss function. Select the sketch profile, which is the text letters this time. Select the face where you want to put the letter in it. Adjust the depth and the effect, which I select 1mm and the Emboss function this time. Click OK to finish. Now, export the model using STL format. Print them without a support layer. Now, check if it works or not. It works very well. It can be used as a normal M20 board in both directions. Number 2. Double-threaded board with different speed. Use the same concept. We can combine different types of the thread together. This time, I combine 2 different pitch. I use the same board diameter of 20mm. Choose the pitch 2mm and 1mm respectively. Make 2 boards with this pitch. Combine them together using intersection function. Now the double pitch magic board has been finished. The remaining screws are made in 2 pitches as well. Remember, the pitches are 2 and 1mm. This is different with 2.5mm, which I want to separate the double-threaded in different direction board. Print them. It works very well. Please like and subscribe. You will not regret your choice. Also, leave your comments so we can know each other. I'm looking forward to seeing you soon again. Hope you will have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, click on the small bell so you will not miss the update. TBO channel is waiting for you.